Following the denial of the lawsuit dismissal, Travis Scott will now be subjected to a civil trial in relation to the Astroworld tragedy. Greetings everyone! Today's video focuses on the legal proceedings surrounding Travis Scott and the tragic events at Astroworld. Despite his efforts to have the lawsuit dismissed, a judge has ruled that Scott will indeed face a civil trial. The first trial, which involves victim Madison Dubisky, is scheduled to begin next month. Experts who have been called as witnesses have expressed concerns about the management of the crowd during the festival, placing the blame on Live Nation. While Scott's legal team argues that artists should not be held responsible for safety measures, he remains involved in the ongoing lawsuits, unlike Drake, who has been cleared of any claims. So without any further delay, let's dive into our discussion. Travis Scott has received confirmation that he will continue to be engaged in the ongoing Astroworld civil lawsuits, as the initial trial led by Madison Dubisky is set to commence in the upcoming month. According to Rolling Stone, Judge Kristen Hawkins, who presides over the case in Harris County, Texas, rejected Scott's request for dismissal on Thursday, April 25th. Judge Hawkins made her decision without providing any explanation, indicating that the civil suits will proceed as planned. The individual named Dubisky, who goes by the legal name Jacques Webster II, has initiated a lawsuit against the rapper and concert promoter Live Nation. Dubisky's case will be the inaugural one to be presented in court, commencing on May 6th. In the event of a verdict of liability, Scott and Live Nation will be obligated to compensate the victims with a substantial monetary sum, potentially reaching billions of dollars. According to documents obtained by Hip Hop DX, it has come to light during the discovery phase that Dubisky, along with the co-defendants, will be presenting arguments based on the opinions of expert witnesses hired by the plaintiffs, including Daryl Darnell, who previously served as the Emergency Management Director for the District of Columbia. According to Darnell's report, he and other experts had advised the festival organizers about the challenges of accommodating a large number of people in a limited concert space. The report further claims that Live Nation failed to fulfill their obligations by neglecting to implement a crowd management and control plan. The determination of whether Scott can be held accountable for the alleged failures of the promoters will be decided during the trial. In March, Daniel Petruccelli and the legal team representing Cactus Jack argued that the responsibility for ensuring the safety of the fans rests with the event organizers and the staff at the venue. According to Petruccelli, the responsibility of maintaining a balance between exhilaration and safety at music festivals does not fall on performing artists, including those who are involved in promoting and marketing performances. It is logical to understand that performing artists, despite engaging in certain promotional activities, do not possess any inherent expertise or specialized knowledge in concert safety measures, venue security protocols, or site design. In regards to the festival planning, he further added that the Scott defendants actively supported the organizers' endeavors to mitigate the potential danger of a stampede at the festival site. They willingly agreed to remove specific rides and attractions in order to address this concern. Additionally, when instructed to conclude the show after Mr. Scott's guest performer had finished their performance, the Scott defendants promptly complied and brought the show to an end. Despite Travis Scott still being held responsible for the Astroworld civil lawsuits, the plaintiffs' claims against Drake have been dropped. According to NBC News, the attorneys representing the rapper recently made a formal request to have his name disassociated from the lawsuits. They argued that he had no involvement in the event's organization, where 10 individuals tragically lost their lives during Scott's performance. District Judge Kristen Hawkins granted this request on April 10th. Numerous companies such as Apple Inc., Scott's Cactus Jack Enterprises, and Lay Flame Enterprises were all met with rejections for their comparable requests. Following an extensive investigation by the Houston police, a comprehensive report spanning nearly 1,300 pages was released. Despite the detailed findings, a grand jury ultimately decided not to pursue criminal charges against the rapper, known for his hit song Sicko Mode. This significant decision came approximately 1 month after the report was made public. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.